Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my soleh-solehah students? May Allah always protect us from any disease every time and everywhere. Hi, with Ustazah Rani here, and it means we are going to learn about mathematics again. Before we start the meeting or before you watching the video, please make sure you already take a pray first. Pray before study ya. If you are not yet, you can pause the video and continue to take a pray first. All right, thank you. Now let's start it. So students, last meeting, we already learned about pictograms and block graphs. And both of them, you already learned how to reading and how to making. So today, because we didn't getting meet directly in the Zoom, so we cannot have communication mutually. So today you just going to do your worksheet. Yeah, I remember you already got your worksheet, right? So make sure all of you take your worksheet before watching these videos. All right, how is it? Have you take your worksheet? Now let's start it to discuss about your worksheet. So this one, basically students, your worksheet is just only talk about pictograms and block graphs. So make sure you pay attention to the question, yeah. But I think, absolutely think that you already know it, how to answer it. So just make it easy for you. I just want to re-explain for you. Nah, for number question or for worksheet, the first worksheet, it's talk about pictograms. So the pictograms shows the number of sweets for children had. There are Adam, Betty, Charles, and Diana. You can see the symbol, each picture like this stand for one sweet, right? Each picture like this stand for one sweet. So you can counting for Adam, for Betty, for Charles, and for Diana. And this is the question. Adam had blah 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 sweets. So you can counting how many sweets the Adam have. And Diana had blah 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 sweet. Sam, you can counting how many sweet that Diana had. And for question number C, Betty had blah 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 fewer sweet than Diana. Nah, fewer. Remember, fewer it is same if you say less. Less ya. Atau in bahasa lebih sedikit. So the question means Betty memiliki bla 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 lebih sedikit permen ketimbang Diana. It means you have to counting Betty too, and then you counting Diana too, and after that you can choose which one the biggest one, Diana and then Betty. So you have to subtract Betty, the sweet number of Betty. Betty has and sweet number Diana has. Oh, sorry, I mean Diana first, yeah, because Diana has the most sweet. So you can say Diana. Okay, my handwriting is so bad. Diana subtract by Betty. Oke, jadi kalau ada soal yang bertanya lebih banyak sekian atau lebih sedikit sekian, hanya ambil jumlah permen yang mereka miliki. Jika yang ditanyakan, contohnya yang ditanyakan Betty adalah Betty dan Diana. Berarti silakan dihitung permennya Diana berapa, permennya Betty berapa, and you subtract them. Dikurangkan ya. And then we goes to the question part D. Blah 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 had the least number of sweet. Remember list. What is the meaning of list? List. It means a very little ya, very little atau paling sedikit. And then the last part, Adam, Betty, and Charles had blah 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 all together. All together means all of them, bersamaan, semuanya. Jadi Adam, Betty, dan Charles memiliki berapa permen bersama-sama, all together. So you have to edit, you have to add the sweet of Adam, the sweet of Betty, and the sweet of Charles. Harus dijumlahkan. That's it. This is for the first worksheet. And we move to the next worksheet. This is about block grab. So you may to see, this is the block grab about a favorite fruits ya. There are orange, apple, mango, peach, and cherry. Nah, it is same like first pupils like orange, so you have to counting how many pupils like orange. Blah 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 pupils like apple, so you have to counting how many pupils like apple. Blah 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 more pupils like mango and cherry. You can see this one more, berarti lebih, right? So you have to counting about mango and cherry. So please, mango and cherry. So if you want to find out how many mango more than cherry, after you counting how many mango and after you counting how many cherry, just subtract them. So mango subtract by cherry. If the question asking you about how many more or how many fewer, just subtract both of them. Jadi kalau dapat soal tentang how many more, yang tulisannya how many more, or more, bla bla bla, atau fewer, bla bla bla, berarti itu artinya kalian kurangkan saja buah yang ditanyakan. Oke. The next question, fewer pupils like peach than apple. Like I told you, if you find out the question like more, like fewer, just subtract the noun, the asking question ya. Peach and apple. So counting how many peach, how many apple, and you see the most one. Lihat yang paling banyak. If you already find out which one the most, baru dikurangkan dari yang paling banyak itu. Di sini kan yang paling banyak apple, berarti tulis apple yang pertama dulu. Apple subtract by peach. Like that, ya. And then the least number. Remember what is the least number and the most number. What is the most number? Now for question the last part, the same number of pupils like same number. Jadi yang sama, yang menyukai buah yang sama banyak itu buah apa saja yang jumlahnya sama banyak disukai oleh anak-anak. Alright, that's it for the second worksheet. Let's move to the next worksheet or the last worksheet. This is about how to making pictograms, right? I hope you still remember. Nah, this is the symbol. You can counting how many ice cream there, how many candy there, and how many biscuit there. For ice cream, you can take a picture like this. And then for candy, you can make it a picture like this. All right. And then for biscuit, you can make it a picture like this. Just a circle, yeah. All right. And then after that, if you already making the pictographs, complete the pictogram, you can answer the question. Pupil, how many pupils had ice cream? So you have to counting how many pupils love ice cream. And then the same question, more pupils. So if you find out the question like this, what do we do? Yes, we subtract the asking thing, yeah, biscuit and candies. So counting how many biscuit, counting how many candies, and you subtract both of them. And then the most number of pupil had the most mean yang paling banyak, ya. And the last question is the total number of pupil in the class is how to know it, the total number of pupils in the class. How to know it? You just need to counting how many things all of here, how many things here. So that is the total number students in the class. All right, students. I think that's all. So for today, you just needed to practice. You just needed to more exercise. I mean, you just have more exercise about pictograms and block graphs. Thank you so much, Ananda Soleh Soleha, for watching this video. After watching this video, after do your task, remember to read Kafaratul Majelis, ya. And istighfar 3 times also. All right, thank you so much. See you in the next meeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.